Hi, this is Akanksha, and I have been missing for a couple of weeks now. I know. I felt sick, and a lot of things happened after that, and it was a chaotic, extremely busy week, and I was not able to keep up with all of the things that were happening. Because there were so many things that were happening, I also went out of my routine, and that usually means me not returning back to where I was in terms of my workouts, my work, all the things that I do outside of my 9 to 5, right? What I have understood for past 2 years is that for past 2 years, obviously it is life happens to everybody, and you can be on 100% track of your routine, never missing a day, not even skipping a beat, but then something happens and you have to change your routine, and then that change turns into 2 days, 3 days, a week, a month, and then you never get back on track. That is a major problem I think we all face, and I have been facing this for like major chunk of my life. And 2 years ago, I started doing this thing. I don't really remember where I read it from. I 100% read it from somewhere, and I 100% maybe saw it somewhere, because this is not I have not created this method, but I read it somewhere, I saw it somewhere, and that it stuck with me. The method is very simple, just asking three questions to yourself and understanding where you are in terms of your life, your mentality, and whatever you want to choose or do. Whatever you're doing, if that is aligned with where you want to be in your life, correct? These three questions, whenever you are in a rut, whenever you feel like there is monotonous, there's nothing interesting happening, everything is like same every day. You wake up, you go to the office, you come back home, you scroll on your devices, and then go back to sleep. The next day, same thing again and again. And that happens real often, because this is how life is. Sometimes we have it on track, sometimes we don't, but the major thing is getting back on track. And these three questions really help me in terms of understanding where I am in current life, where I want to be, and if this is going to take me there. Do this exercise, right? We want to get back on track. You have been on a rut, and there is a whole process that is going on. Let's do an exercise. I'm going to ask you these three questions. You answer me as truthfully as possible. These are a very good journaling prompts as well. But if you don't feel like journaling, I'm here. We can do it together. The first, very first question that I want to ask you is, whatever you are doing today, right now, in your daily routine, does that align with your best self? Whatever you have in your vision, does this person meet that vision? That is your answer to understanding wherever you are in your routine. Is that aligned with your best self? The next question is, whatever that you're stressing on, whatever is troubling you, sometimes there is very small thing that gives me anxiety, and it doesn't even matter in like 5 minutes from now, but then it's like giving me anxiety at that point. And so I really like to like question this, and I'm questioning you right now. Whatever it is that is troubling you, is this going to matter 5 years from now? If it is going to matter 5 years from now, then there is always a door, there is always a way out. If there is no doors, there is always a window. There's something that is going to help you get out of whatever problem you're in, right? But if it is not going to matter, I think that is your answer, right? It is not going to matter, and so just chuck it. Why do you even care about it so much? If it is not going to matter in like 5 years, you're not going to remember what happened. Why were you stressing? So it doesn't matter. The third question is intellect actually chained to this, where whatever you want to do, for an example, you want to start a routine workout, correct? You want to run a marathon, for an example, and you want to start working out because you want to run this marathon. Why do you want to run this marathon? Is it out of love for yourself? Is it out of love for marathons? Is it out of love for something that you are passionate about? Or is it you trying to get approval, trying to be likable, are fearful of something? This thing, whatever you are trying to stick to, whatever vision you're trying to stick to, whatever goal, whatever routine you're trying to stick to, is this out of love or out of fear? For me, from my lens, it is 90% of time, if I am trying to stick to something and it is completely draining me out of life, it is because that is not something that I love. It is out of fear of disappointment of my loved ones, it is out of fear of XYZ, and that drains you. Fear drains you, it does not empower you. But if something you're passionate about and you want to do it, that gives you motivation, that keeps you disciplined, and that gives you the passion, the strength to go after it. So understanding whatever you're doing is out of love or passion is really important. What is your answer for this? These are really, really good journaling prompts if you want to go there. If your answer, so you don't need me to explain you about the answers. You will answer it yourself and you will be able to understand it. You will be the self judge of whatever answer you get. And that is why it is so important. My answer is 100% different from your answer. And that is all that matters. And these are the three things, these are the three questions that will help you align your vision, align your goal, give you a blank canvas to start from. And I feel like these are really important to ask. So align your goals accordingly to understand where you stand and start to work towards whatever you want to do. If there is something that you feel like you do but not a lot of people know, I would really love to know whatever you do to get out of a rut. My comment sections, please let me know in the comment section. I would love to try it. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.